Hwee kasa no mu odu. Ye kasa okunu a. Okunu gina ho no ma obi a wako anu ne ho. Okunu wako anu. Ye kasa obi ko a kyerɛ sɛ onipa kro no a pass through a lot. Wa mature in life. Wako abrabɔ no mu aduru baabi. Na watimi agani ade bia a ɔyɛ den ɔkɔ. Ɛkyɛ so bakro yɛ den ɔkofo. That's the first thing that you have to bear in mind. Second, wanu ne ho. Yɛkasa obi anu a ana yɛ nu bibia. Ɛte sɛ abɛ ɛwɔ hɔ no. Na abɛ no watam sekan ana asoso. Na wodi esim. Na abɛ no a abrɛ no. Wodi ayɛ den sekan atu. Na woji ɛde afri the main source ɛho. Kyerɛ sɛ amature awie. Saa abɛ na mu no. Wobenya adwe. Wobenya abɛ. De obede ya adwongo. De wobetimi ɛde ahye atonfo ɛyɛ blacksmith ebetimi de ayɛ noma wobenya enwo ewom emefen kyese enoma bebre wobetimi asan nya edua na aka se bi ɛde afiri mu ayɛ den aba na kyese onipa kro na oye okunu no de ono ayɛ den atse ne ho afiri the main source ho ya on rely on ɛyɛ main source no because ade bia wo hia bia no wa de ne ho bata etimi anyini kama na kyese one ɛwo so onipa kro no onye obi a oyɛ recalcitrant wasua de enya nepa e de afirifie na yɛ den eba na ɔko ni mu ni abrabɔ ni mu no wate ne ho ɛno nti na ɔka Genesis chapter 2 verse 25 a wɔse na wenti na bema ɛbɛte ne ho afiri na agya ɛne ne na ho ti kyerɛ sɛ yɛka sɛ okunu a ɛyɛ obi a wate ne ho wako asua no ma bebree eti bebi a waduru no wa mature in life enti ne friend no Mr. Elbrofo mu Mr. means matured R means reliable and responsible. Yeah, ni nyina gina hono emo obi a wa mature in life. Na wo betimi agivu na obi betimi de ne ho aye den ato ne ho so. Oyere nso ye hwan. Oyere ayi obi a waye den wa yire obi. Na kyerɛ sɛ obi ikon baabi ana wo ye bibi ofiri baabi na eba ɛna waso mu no se mema wo nko. Eti wo kan Bible kyerɛ sɛ ye obi a oye Nyankopɔn yere ɛyɛ hwan ɛyɛ Israel ɛna ye Nyankopɔn yere sa Israel yi na ne din ɛdeden Jacob Bible kyerɛ sɛ na ɔkofo bi ɛkɔ ne baabi na ɔbɔfo ɛdi afusane ɔsɔre ana ɔsɛ hana mo Bible kyerɛ sɛ osuo ne mu na ɔne ne tentame no ɔyere no ka sɛ kosi sɛ menya ne pa wo mu menya ma wo nkɔda ampani ampa onya bibia ma no kosi awie kama na kyerɛ sɛ ɔyere ɛyɛ obi a obetimi ayere aklevutu bema akase me no bobra. It doesn't matter where you go. It doesn't matter what you do to me. It doesn't matter eti wohwe oba tibi nakopon bo ema ana oyere a eti ose oyere pa ha ibenya kyese ye oyere bebre ni mum oyere a oye papa eti oyere pa ha ibenya oyere pa no you obi a it doesn't matter what the man does. He has the capacity to swallow everything. What it is Jacob Okofon yeden a body ceremony when I was still I will never let you go. It is just so you ba and now yera. You have to remember that one comes scot free. No maybe brave see wa kwem. Bema no come back on chese was so cool. Bema no tete one now ye be no chese was so cool. Oyere no you have the ability say the bema no be bia no be den wo be mene. Oyere or nikunu. E dey ade na de yere bibi. De yere bibi you odo. Asema Paul kache Korinto 4 ose ya ma munni mukunu no muni the first thing no munni mukunu ni ena mema nso munya den monno moyere na che se ma ankasa no by nature omo enyu obi omudini nemum oba obetimi a all said den krompa edi die de wan hwe ya ni hono that's one thing iti e ma ankasa no wodo enti so oba no wa no matter what you do no opa bre ho asema wo ba se na baya obenya ne do e kiranko odo no beko eto oba do wa no odo na mmani die enyini e wo mamu. The next one that I want us to talk of yes emema enso omo wodo se de korampa enyine ne die ani die odbama konk bema betimi di oba ni pa be no odo na yeketua bi eti odo ho enyini e wo mamu minia Nyankopon eye ade wonwade bi e woni pa bebrabrabom. Wo kan Genesis chapter 2 na 20 no Bible kyerɛ sɛ na Adam ye no manyina awie ye no na oni boafo Nature said the intent of God to create or make a woman for man was a helpmate. It is the first thing that you have to look out for. Because Beman, where I quite know me, God gave man the vision. It will here will be one carry out the vision. Or by winning vision. Uni vision. You were not given a vision. You were made a helpmate. Send a bearman. The old one will be my day. The vision and the purpose for life. A bit my day. Abem. It's in Yankopon ye and in Noma way in Yinan, not a shred and no papa beer a walk a mem. Intin and Yankopon won in him demo, or ma or bar, a quine say, or bar mem cast a bra. Nim Yankopon, it me ye ya say, or bobema, a chere beman woman yina, all the vision was given to man, and sana or buyer than ever. It will buy the NSA or about the boy bema, I'm a bearman this one, divin in United. The same thing applies to Obofo. Obofo ya Jacob and no cotton tamiano, not over vision. Not all baby he was under an assignment. So men are under assignment and women are supposed to help them. How do they help them? Okay, in Luke chapter 8, Bible says not a man they were helping Jesus Christ out. It is what baby boy brabum na de dia nesa wo na de bia be provided for ono na oni bibia de boawa onya woyere. That's the first thing you have to look out for. Bema, I will say Bema ye obia wako enu ne ho. Oba no so you obia obeyere no beka say wo mema wo nko. I will help you. Am I your helper? It is the first thing is a helpmeet. It is Bible throughout a man who do more japadian or money penny nara at the boy Christ. So Jesus Christ was not just rich, but he was opulent. He was dangerously rich. Yes, Christ. Memo being can't no in here for and then he now you will be a wasika. No, you're defo, no, you couldn't defo if free say. Yes, Christ. You may dinner near who said not a member ben with the behe. Here lies the case. Nema ben no papa. Nema no. Also, it's a ma or boy used to Christ to seek from Paya ma. It's Obuafo a your bar. It's Solomon you be a yet the Indian your name says Solomon na or you be a not or don't not so do asamase. A bara will sit down. Bible says, O see pillars I can see you. A danuna so me, you know. And or then campaign home a court a day at a tree in a free so, a decosi so. Just what can me no bum. But saying your friend a yet sapiless no me no. Or friend bako Jacent, no friend bako so boys. Jacent a yet also for penny. Obi a way this wadin obi a will carry out the assignment of God. Only a friend Jacent and a boys no so yisikani. One the didn't see kaya then a boy just as will be a visioner or here will be one who sika from and then the pa. You can sika then a dear isika. It is a bema, a quahin here be more, or here be the sis idea no anoka, with me pushy ahead of life. But when the oba bebana brabum, what the answer oba be diaco, where your boy diwa, and not any other. Huh? Huh? Yasha boy diwa, him yasha brina, do no beber, namwena, namuya munina macabum my day, more deep. And maybe I'm not a catty, so brabo, on your boy for that. What is the vision? A day I didn't know Okunu na Saul wa baba. Na David peso warren. Na never pa ampene. Na abra David ebedi ade no. Bible church say o ware ababa wan. No ware ababa wan. Eni gie ba. Abra wo di asam. Bible church say oba no kokasa. Na wo kan se bebre. Enam say na onim ni kunu vision ahead. Ana ye na hinu nti no. Na no kopai. Ama Bible church say when Tim no anya den anwododo wo when Tim na anwododo nya ne se wanyere beema no e wo noma bebre mu when Tim kron pa anwo na Israel gina hɔ no emma obi a wahye obi na wo se onno den ne mu e na dodo obi fra ye den aba na kyese se wutimi ayiri wukunu ye di a na emi nua awo no de obewo awo nyi nipa nko awo and the pa bebre bitimi ayde efri mu aba. It is the first quality of a man that you have to look out for. And they say, well, you be a wako enu na the pa efri nimo. Look at the talent of the man, not the wealth that the man can give you right now. Unim kwa of us unyaye. Ebi anu ewia. Ebi krompa ni wapebi ne this kind of man. Unim so hwe. it will bet me as spending on you, but wouldn't be a chili baba. But may be a hot more, or with the vision, or all the good things. What is needed is the money. Who will see Kano? As also one from more bearman. Obi a show into them. What if a boy? Emma, I want the pa at the boy,